In this video, I'll show you how to spot trending meme coins on GMGN. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And as first, you need to be logged into your GMGN site, right? So I'm going to be dropping the link to the site in this video description. Now, this video basically is for educational purpose only, so I'm making it to share my thoughts and insights on what you need to know. So thank you YouTube for the opportunity to allow creators to make videos here on this platform and share their insightful thoughts. That would be helpful. So what you need to do now, once you have logged into the site, you need to click on this trending, right? Once you have clicked on this trending, wait for it to load. Once it has opened, you see a lot of tokens are launched here already. So if you filter this to 24 hours, you can see there are tokens here already that we launched 24 hours ago, right? So if I filter this to 1 minute, you can see there are tokens here that were launched a minute ago. So this token was launched 4 minutes ago with a market cap of, I think, okay, these are tokens that are launched recently. This token, if I filter this to a minute or let's say 5 minutes, you can see tokens that are launched very early, right? This token is launched 4 minutes ago with a market cap of $194,000, right? With a trading volume of 3.8 million. And this token, everything about this token is clear, I think, except this, right? So you can see this is how you can spot trending meme coins on GMGN. So I'm going to be dropping the link to the site in this video description, so ensure you check it out once you are done with this video. So if you have any questions, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.